First of all, which I tell everyone that they have to be extra cautious. Whenever they are in the kitchen, make sure that, like especially when I'm cooking, my husband will come and he will say, make sure your scarf is not around the stove, because if I'm wearing scarf and I'm cooking, so it can catch fire easily. So we should wear proper clothes when we are in the when we go and cook, uh, and make sure we are not having too many loose clothes, so that it can catch fire. That's my hazard. So I'm telling people that what I do for myself. Other than that is like, if you make sure that iron is off, make sure that you are cautious around hot things. When the people are doing laser, they have to be extra cautious. The strength of the laser, how they should be using numbing thing, how should, when they go out for sun, they should use proper sunscreen. There are some tips for all these kind of ones. We have to be just cautious. We have to think ahead before we start doing any big things.